Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we will be learning about how you can change your password in your WeChat app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is open your WeChat app. So once your WeChat app gets open, you will end up in this page. Then you need to simply press on the Me option. So here you need to simply tap on the settings and then tap on the account security. Once you do so, all you need to do is tap in the password option. So after you tap in the password, you need to simply type in your original password, your new password, and to confirm your password, you need to type in the new password again. So once you are done typing in all three necessary credentials, press on the done button. Once you press on done, your password will be changed, and this is how you change password in your WeChat app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.